Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatre Bhagat and today is 28th of June 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is inheritance in Java. So basically when we are dealing with an Java, so we know that Java is a purely object-oriented programming language. Whatever we are doing in Java is a totally object-based. So basically in Java there are mainly four pillars, that is polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance. So inheritance is basically one of the important pillar in Java. So we are going to study about inheritance. So what is meant by inheritance? Inheritance means inheriting the properties of a parent class to the child class. That is called as inheritance. With the inheritance, we are achieving the reusability of the code. Means again and again, the programmer don't require to write the code and implement the same method. So directly we can inherit the properties of our another class to our child class. So this is basically called as inheritance. So it can be achieved in multiple ways. So there are different ways to achieve inheritance. Like there are different types of inheritance. So the first one is an single level inheritance. The second one is an multi-level inheritance. Then the third one is an multiple inheritance. Then the fourth one is an hierarchical inheritance. So these are the types of inheritance. So we will see one by one. So the single level inheritance. So basically in single level inheritance we are inheriting the properties of a parent class to child class. In the single level inheritance there is only one parent and one child class, with which the child class has been extending the properties of parent class. So like this it is single level inheritance. When we are going with an multi-level inheritance, then at that time we are having an one parent class and many child classes. Like means we are inheriting the properties of parent to the child and their child class. So that is called as a multi-level inheritance. Suppose take an example of multi-level inheritance. Then suppose we are having an parent class as an animal. Then in that we are having inheriting the properties of animal class to the suppose take flying, uh, four legs animal, then three legs animal, like this we have categorized. So in that then cat, dog, like this we are inheriting it. So that is called as a multi-level inheritance. So the next one is a multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance is known because it is having um, multiple parent class and one child class. So like this it is called as a multiple inheritance. Means in this we are having n number of parent class and having inheriting the properties to the child class. So that is called as multiple inheritance. So basically through class the multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, but by using interface we can achieve the multiple inheritance. Then the next one is the hierarchical inheritance. The hierarchical inheritance is combination of the two of the inheritance. Like this we can achieve the hierarchical inheritance. So that is basically also uh, not supported in Java through class, but by interface it is possible to achieve the multiple inheritance. So while extending the parent class to the child class, we are using the extend keyword. By using extend keyword, the parent class properties are inherited to the child class. So basically, the parent class is also known uh, as the main class, and the child class is known as the inherited class. So like this we can achieve the inheritance in Java. The advantages with the inheritance is like we are achieving the reusability of code. We are reusing again and again code, and if we want to change uh, some some part of the program or some part of our code, at that time we are going through inheritance. So it is the main pillar we can say the main pillar of OOPS, that is object oriented programming. Like this we save the time also means we have to not write totally program again and again. We are reusing the properties. Then if we want to change some of them in that, so we can uh, make modification as per the programmer's requirement by reusing it. So like this way we can achieve the inheritance in Java. So this was all about the inheritance. Thank you.